Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the week, as well as some stocks in our watch list. Also some sectors what we are looking out for. And a quick disclaimer here, it's completely based on my view and perspective towards market. So let's go ahead and check them in price charts. So first we'll discuss about Nifty. If you all observe, Nifty it already made a lifetime high and now it's in correction phase. So from past 3-4 days we are moving on downside. So now Nifty closed below one of the important support level, so it became resistance for Nifty now. So let's go ahead and exactly we'll look into charts. What is my view on the Nifty. These levels what I have drawn here, these and all I have took from daily. In daily perspective, these are my levels what I am looking out for. So now let's understand. Nifty today closed below one of the important level, I said, right? So that is nothing but this level, that is 14,755. So these levels what I have drawn here, these are all like my support and resistance level what I am looking out from daily charts. So now today what happened, market finally closed below this line, that is 14,755. So this level is a crucial level in terms of Nifty. Now there are like three scenarios. Scenario one, we can expect market can continue that bullish momentum. Scenario two, it can move sideways. We can't expect either a drastic up move or a drastic down move. It will be consolidating phase, or we can expect a very good downside move. So in my view, the most probability or the most probable case what can happen is like I am expecting a downside move if Nifty is not breaching this level, that is 14,755. If Nifty is not sustaining above this level, I am expecting the bearishness to continue. So these are my levels to look out for the next, you can tell like these are my target levels. So these levels are very important levels. The point is Nifty should not cross above this. It should not trade above these levels. So scenario one can happen, market can be off sideways, or there is a chance market can sustain above this level, that is 14,755, and it can continue the upside move. Or if it become a good resistance level, since already it's trading below, so there is good chances the market can correct and fall further down. So this is my view with Nifty, as well as these are the levels related to Nifty. Let's go ahead and check with Bank Nifty. With Bank Nifty also more of like same scenario like Nifty. So this 35,430 is a major level. So today it closed below that level. So from tomorrow we need to observe like how the price action proceeds, whether it's taking this as a support and trading above, or whether it's making this resistance and it's trying to reach towards these support levels. So these will be important levels for Bank Nifty. And in stock perspective, particularly I am interested in two sectors actually for the week. I am interested in metal sector as well as IT sector, because I am seeing some interest over metal sector on a daily perspective, because it's already at lifetime highs, as well as I am seeing like in IT, because like it's going in a downtrend. If you are seeing, it's creating lower highs and it's going in a downtrend. So I'm expecting it will reach this support. So somewhere here we'll get good stocks to trade on IT sector. So my sectorial projections for the week is based on IT and metal. So I will be looking out those stocks actually. So with that perspective, already metal sector stocks I have, so like JSW Steel I have, Hindalco, Tata Steel, all I have in my watch list. Other than that, I am looking at M&M and Dr. Reddy also. So these levels related to these stocks, anything, if there is any updates, I will post in Telegram channel. So to summarize, overall Nifty and Bank Nifty looks negative at the moment. So we need that confirmations from market with that right support and resistance. As well as I am looking at, from sectorial stocks perspective, I am looking at IT and metal sectors. And these are the some stocks what I have listed it for you. So if there is any updates or any trading opportunities, definitely I will update in Telegram channel. So stay tuned.